Hey, what's happening, family? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the case lineup from Nimbus9 for the Samsung Galaxy A50. Are you ready? Let's go. Well, all right. Here's my black Samsung Galaxy A50 on deck. Yes, indeed, with the beautiful finish on it.
He ain't lying.
Yes, indeed. You see the flip, the rainbow flip on it. Still a very beautiful phone. All right, the first case I'm going to review on this one is the Cirrus 2. This one right here. No question about it. So let's get this boy outside the box. Slide it out to the side and everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So let's pull it on out right now. And as you can see from the picture, this is made for the Nimbus9 magnetic car mount. You know what I'm saying? Or to me, if you got any kind of magnetic car mount, this case right here will work. So let me go ahead and pop this on out and everything. There's the magnet with the Nimbus9 logo. Looking so saucy right there.
Yeah!
Now let's take a tour of the case. Soft touch materials and everything. Let's slap this boy right on. There it is, the Cirrus 2 in black and red on the Samsung Galaxy A50. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man, oh man. Very nice case right here. Nice metal buttons on the side. Yes, indeed. The volume rocker right here and a power button. Then on the back, you have the camera cut out. That has a nice level of depth. Come on, focus, focus. There it is. You know what I'm saying? The camera's in there. All three of them nice protected, plus the flash. No doubt about it. Then at the bottom right here, get that raw Nimbus9 logo. No question about it. Then as far as the cutouts go, headphone jack right there. USB-C. Noise canceling microphone right there. And a speaker. Then at the top, you have another cutout for the noise canceling microphone right here, or whatever. Pretty cool, right? Man, this case right here is well put together. It feels really good in the hands and everything. Gives you enough lip on the screen and everything, so won't anything bad happen to your phone and everything. This is a well-designed case, and a huge shout out to Nimbus9 for designing a couple of cases for the Samsung Galaxy A50.
Yes, sir! Can I get an amen?
Because I've been on Amazon and it was really hard to find a quality case for this phone. And ladies, beautiful queens, mothers of the earth, and all that goodness, look at the color wave on this Cirrus 2 right here. Serious business, yes indeed. This is a nice peach color, kind of reflective, still soft touch and everything, and military standard, just like the other joint. Man, oh man, oh man. But has a two-tone color wave on it that's pretty damn sick.
Woo!
No question about it. So if you're interested in this case right here, the link to it will definitely be in the description below. And if you're a fan of the color blue, here we go right here. They also have it in navy. And as you can see, it goes perfectly with the color wave of the A50. All right, y'all, let's get to the other box. Let's get it. All right, now check this out. This next box I'm about to unbox and everything is a brand new product from Nimbus9. It's called the Lifestyle Kit. In the kit is made for the Cirrus 2 cases that I got and everything are 3 covers that you can change because the Cirrus 2 is actually a 2-part case. Let me demonstrate. Now here we have the gangster blue case on deck and everything. We're finna go ahead and pull this boy apart like so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pick the color cover that you want. This time we're going with purple since it's on top and everything. Install it very easily like so. And grab your A50, put it in the case, just like that, and you're ready to go.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so you can change the look of your phone anytime, any day, any place with no problem. Man, so this is for the fashion conscious in mind and everything. And Nimbus9, huge shout out for this product because this is really cool. It's something to have on this phone. Man, a lot of people don't go out and do cool stuff like this for budget devices, but Nimbus9 has. So people, comment below and let me know if these cases are for show. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because I appreciate that too. All right, everybody, get money. get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.